Worth it. Nice clean good location. Good place to stay when in HK. The place is very clean. Spacious for a HK setup hotel with affordable price. Location is very nice. There's a lot restaurants nearby. Near shopping places as well. Fab hotel and value for money. This hotel is in a great location and it is easily walkable everywhere. It is also very clean and the staff are fantastic. Would definitely stay again. Accommodating staff and central location. The hotel is a 5 minutes walk from a train station with plenty of food options to choose from. The staff are very friendly and accommodating. The front desk staff speak English and are very helpful in assisting in navigating HK. The hotel is nice and clean. Nice accommodation. Nice accommodation. Good. Superb location and cozy. Location of hotel is so accessible. Less than 5 minutes walk to Jordan MTR. Room is well equipped and very cozy. Nice view and high floors. Smile. Recommend for all travelers. Place with full great and warm welcome from all employees. Overall is good. Big space, big toilet, big mirror for makeup, good lighting. Convenient, new and clean. Good walking distance to Ocean Terminal. Also very near Jordan MTR. Easy to find. Excellent. Best in the area. Good hotel. Friendly and helpful staff. Good location and hotel is clean. Expensive but impressive. Kimberley Road, Cameron, Carnarvon. K11 Wi-Fi. 22. Good. Every is good. Good. Every is good. Good hotel. The room is good. The MTR is close to the hotel and there is a free pocket Wi-Fi. The room is very clean. Nice facilities. The room is clean and good facilities, but it has a small size of room, just 21 meters square. Great hotel in Hong Kong. One of my best stay. Room size is small but I'm happy as it's HK. Staff are helpful. Every day we'll get our room cleaned and towels changed. Hotel is very new and modern facilities. Great coffee shop down in lobby. Overall it's a great stay. Definitely want to go back. Best hotel in Hong Kong. Superb service. Unforgettable hotel. Fantastic. This is a rare gem. It's a niche place and very well maintained and run. Great for solo or couples. Surprisingly great hotel at a convenient location. Book 2 rooms, 1 for 2 packs and 1 for 3. The location is conveniently a 5 minutes walk from Jordan MTR. There is also a 7 to 11 downstairs. Each room is equipped with a Marshall speaker. Very clean and modern design too. The staff is friendly and the hotel allowed us to leave our luggages behind on the last day to pick up at night when we left Hong Kong. Would definitely recommend. Very nice hotel, perfectly located with various public transfer options nearby. View from the top floor amazing, clean, modern, very friendly staff. 4 grams Wi-Fi came super handy for our trip. Coffee downstairs fantastic, exceptional. Great price if you book early. Place is on the smaller side but looks great with a very functional design and layout. For example, the shower was very spacious. Comes with free pocket Wi-Fi rental. They also have a cafe that makes excellent coffee. Very value for money and would return.